Points that lie on the same plane are said to be coplanar. If we put these 4 red points on the top of this cube, we could say that they're coplanar because they all lie on the yellow plane. If we move one point onto the blue plane, we would then say that one point is not coplanar with the other 3 because there is no single plane that contains them all. Things could get pretty confusing if we move the points to the corners here and I asked you if there was a single plane that contained them all. Now you would probably say no, because the yellow plane, the blue plane, the red plane, there is no plane that contains them all that you can see. But there is a plane that slices through the cube that contains all 4, and I'll try to show you. So we've got a 3D model of a cube that spins around here. And we'd like to answer the question, are these 4 red points coplanar? Are they lying on the same plane? Well, if we take a look at the inside of this figure, now we get a pretty clear view of a plane that's crossing through the center, and you can see that all 4 points are in fact coplanar because they lie on the same plane. Let's talk about the question, are any 3 points always coplanar? No matter where 3 points are in space, we'll be able to create a plane that contains them all. So no matter what, 3 points will always be coplanar. Let's talk about the question, are any 4 points always coplanar? Well, 4 points may be coplanar if they're all lying on the same plane. Of course, they may not be coplanar if some of them are on one plane and some of them are on another. But let's not forget, if we take away one of those points, even though you don't see it so easily in the picture, those 3 points will be coplanar. They're not on the blue plane, they're not on the yellow plane, they're not on the red plane. But there is a plane that slices through that contains all 3. So, to recap, 3 points, always coplanar. 4 points may or may not be coplanar.